Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel, one and only pharmacy. So friends, in today's video we see detailed notes about semi-solid dosage forms chapter, subject pharmaceutics second, D pharmacy second year. So friends, I request you to all please watch this video till the end. Let's start. Topics covered under this video. Which topics we are studying in today's lecture? These are as follows. First, creams. What is creams? Its definition, classification, uses, etc. Second, pastes, jellies, and poultices. These are the four main topics we are covering in today's video. Let's see once by one. First, creams. A definition of creams. These are viscous emulsion. Creams are viscous emulsion of semi-solid consistency intended for application to skin or mucous membrane. Let's see once again. These are viscous emulsion of semi-solid consistency intended for application to the skin or mucous membrane are called as creams. Types of creams, there are two types. Aqueous creams, that means oil by water type, and second oily creams, that means water in by oil type. These are same as the emulsions. Difference between cold creams and vanishing creams. These are important questions asked in exams. Cold cream and vanishing cream. First point, cold cream. It is usually water by oil type of emulsion, and vanishing cream, it is oil by water type of emulsion. In cold cream, it contains absorption type base such as wool fat, beeswax. In vanishing cream, it contains same point here. Third point, it contains small portion of water. Cold cream contains small portion of water. Vanishing cream, it contains higher portion of water. Fourth point, it is used to emollient and skin protective. In vanishing cream, it is used as skin protective and as a foundation cream for other cosmetics. Last point, in cold cream, after application it gives oily stain. In vanishing cream, after application it vanishes or disappears. These are the very simple difference between cold creams and vanishing creams. Second point, pastes. Definition of paste. Paste are semi-solid preparation for external application containing large amount of finely powdered solids, that is 50%. What is definition of pastes? Pastes are semi-solid preparation for external application containing large amount of finely powdered solids. Explanation. Pastes contain large amount of solids, hence they are very stiffy in nature. Pastes contain large amount of solids, hence they are very stiffy in nature. Their base is usually non-greasy and washable. Pastes usually contain glycerin. Why? These are the type question. Generally ask the question, why paste contain glycerin? Their answer is because glycerin is non-volatile, hygroscopic solvent, and thus it acts as an anti-drying agent. That means humectant. For the paste, the glycerin has emollient and preservative properties. Hence, for such reasons, glycerin is used as a paste container glycerin. Second, classification of paste according to their uses or bases. First, paste with hydrocarbon base. Example, compound zinc paste BP. Second type, paste with water miscible bases. Example, magnesium sulfate paste BPC, British Pharmacopoeia compound. Third, paste with water soluble base. Paste with gelatin base. Example, unmade paste. Fifth, paste with starch base. Second, paste with tragacanth base. Paste with cellulose derivative base, and last, paste with solid colloidal base. According to bases, classification of paste is derived. Storage of pastes, they should be stored in airtight container so as to prevent evaporation of moisture present in the paste. Why pastes are generally stored in airtight container? Because of a preventing of a moisture. Container, wide mouthed glass or plastic containers are collapsible tubes. Label on paste bottles, for external use only, replace the cap after use. This all about the paste. The second point, jellies. Definition, jellies are thin, transparent, non-greasy, semi-solid preparation used for external application to the skin or mucous membrane. Jellies are thin, transparent, non-greasy, semi-solid preparation Used for external application to the skin or mucous membrane. Types: medicated jellies or non-medicated jellies. Uses of jellies: they are mainly used on mucous membrane for their lubricant, antiseptic, or not semi spermicidal jellies. Second use: vaginal and contraceptive jellies are also commonly used. Jellies explanation: hot jellies. Jellies are easy to apply, and the evaporation of water content produces a cooling sensation to the skin. Jellies are easy to apply, and the evaporation of water content produces a cooling sensation to the skin. After evaporation of water, content remaining behind stick well to the applied area, giving a protection. Preparations of jellies. Pharmaceutical jellies are usually prepared by adding a thickening agent such as tragacanth, pectin in an aqueous solution to which drug is dissolved. Second, container of jellies. Collapsible tubes are very for this purpose. Containers containing jellies should be well filled to minimize evaporation of water, well closed and stored in a cool place to prevent drying. Label for jellies: for external use only. Store in cool place. Replace the cap after use. Last point about the video: poultices or cataplasma. Definition: these are soft, viscous, wet masses of solid substances applied to skin for their formation, for their fermentation, treatment by warm moist application, action in order to give relief from pain or reduce inflammation, or in some cases to act as a counter irritant. These are the definition of poultices. Let's see once again. These are soft, viscous, wet masses of solid substances applied to the skin for their fermentation, treatment by warm moist application, action in order to give relief from pain or reduce inflammation, or in some cases to act as counter irritant. Uses of poultices: it used as a anti-inflammatory agents, analgesic, counter-irritant to draw infectious material from diseased tissue. Method of application: poultice is heated in a dish with occasional stirring until the heat is tolerated only to back of the hand. Then it is spread thickly on dressing material and applied as hot as the patient can bear it to affected area, which is sometimes first covered with muslin to facilitate remove after use. Poultices must retain heat for a considerable time because they are intended to supply warmth to inflamed parts of body, therefore acts as a counter irritant. Storage of poultices: store in a tightly closed container, label for external use only. Example of poultice: kaolin poultice IP. Contents in a kaolin poultice: heavy kaolin 5 to 7 gram, boric acid 4 5 gram, thymol 0.05 gram, peppermint oil zero point 0.5 ml, methyl salicylate 2 ml, and glycerin 425 gram. These are the contents or ingredients in kaolin poultice IP. There is the role of each ingredients. Kaolin retains heat and gives out heat slowly and uniformly. Glycerin helps to draw infectious material from tissues. Methyl salicylate as anti-rheumatic. Thymol bactericide. Boric acid weak antimicrobial agent, and peppermint oil flavoring agent. Thank you guys for watching this video till the end. So friends, if you're new on this channel, so please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for pharmacy related updates. Generally deep pharmacy students, what we studied in today's video: example of poultice, that is kaolin poultice IP, for storage of poultice, label of poultice, method of application of poultice, definition and uses of poultices, container of jellies, label for jellies, explanation about jellies, preparation of jellies, definition, types and uses of jellies, paste, classification of paste according to their basis, definition and explanation of paste. There is very important question: the difference between cold cream and vanishing cream. Creams, definition, types of creams. These four topics we are cover today's video. Thank you guys.